right, folks, here at the Lafollette Rehab, and we have kilts every bit of this house, every inch of it, cabinets, floors, ceilings, and walls with oil-based kilts. Took 15 gallons, could have used probably 20, and just soaked the floor, but I did the edges super good and then just kind of thin in the middle. But anyway, so kind of crazy. We got a lot of stuff done today, and that's for sure. So this used to be, there used to be a wall here, and this was a bathroom for the bedroom in there. And then this was the hall bath, but we're making the hall bath smaller and the master bath larger, which will work out pretty good. So got rid of a bunch of termite damage. Yeah, that is a bedroom, folks. And so floor joists and all. So, yeah. That's what happens when you have termite damage. So we'll fix all that up tomorrow, get that all squared away tomorrow. We'll run. Now this does have some rot, and it's from leaking water, but we will replace these floor joists, and we're going to run all new plumbing in here. And so I may end up cutting a little more of the floor out just to run that plumbing, and then put the tongue and groove subfloor down. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Been running off of a generator. Still do not have electricity here. Should have already been on. The inspector's been here. The utility company's been out. I don't know, though. We'll see. So we will be cutting some of this out over here. No floor joists to be replaced right there. It just needs to be some rock cut out. But yeah, that's it, folks. She's shaping up. This prep work is just off the chain. Terrible. You can see that we got the light fixtures, most of them down. And we did a ton of stuff today, folks. I mean, a ton of stuff. Well, you can actually see where that small bathroom was. I mean, that's it right there. Anyway, we'll see what she looks like when she's done. We'll see you.